So here is my design. This is 6 inches long here, and that is what printed right here. This is your standard number 10, roughly just a little bit more than 4, just a little bit more than 9 inches, and for the size of this envelope. And it prints nicely on colored. It's just a little bit harder to see on this blue one, but I still think it's pretty good. So I'm loving this PrintMaker. I'm loving this PrintMaker. It is from Micheal's. It's a little spendy, but I'm telling you, it is worth every penny. So I have this design I made, and then all I do is hit print. I have this design I made, and then all I do is hit print, and then you'll see the little lights going. Send to printer. It's doing its little chirp thing. And then now we are ready to print. Bring it over here. And you'd set it on here, and then I'll line it up on my envelope. So I am in the PrintMaker app. I made my image. This is 6 inches long. And it prints pretty well, even on dark colors, as you see here. It's a little bit more dark than I'd like when it's against this blue, but I still think it's pretty good. Here is orange and green. This is a color pack that I got off Amazon in yellow and pink. So it's still pretty good even on dark colors. So you got the image here. You got the PrintMaker here that I got at Micheal's. It is a little spendy, but it is worth every penny. I'm telling you that 100%. I am loving this thing. So then all we gotta do is hit print and send to printer, and you'll see it chirping here. And now we will take it off the base here and set it on my alignment extra thing I got at Micheal's. And then we will line it up and print, and I'll show you here in a second. And now that I'm done printing, I'll just hit I'm done printing, and we're good to go.